Welcome back. Let's do a quick recap on what we've done together so far. You have now created a brand new image of yourself and you've studied your ideal character that you want to be for your life movie. You are aware of your voice and you're conscious of your presence and how you want to sound on camera. You're spending time looking at your style today and you're well on your way of being a rock star in front of the camera. What we're going to talk about today though is clothing, and it's not in the way that you think. Clothing has a lot to say about the way you feel about yourself. Do you care? Do you put people off? Are you confident in the way that you hold yourself? First of all, before we go to colors and clothing, underwear. When you feel good underneath your clothes, you feel better on the outside. I never used to care about this and I used to think, oh yeah, whatever. But really, when you have a good bra on and it's fitting correctly, or you wear your really good underwear, you feel better, you feel more confident. And so therefore, it starts with how you feel about yourself. If you don't care about you, then you'll just put any old thing on. But if you honor yourself, if you feel good about yourself, then you will care about how you present to the world. After all, this is your brand, this is your image, this is your business. And so it is important how you deliver. So underwear, have a look. Next time you're on video, put on the good undies. See how different you feel. Now let's talk about colors, because colors do have a huge influence about how you feel. I love bright colors, like fluoro colors. I love like bright fluoro things because it makes me feel happy. Also, colors have a big way of how you look on video. Some clothing that I wear, I look really sick. Colors that do not suit me at all. And there's probably a few in some of my earlier videos. And I've worked with stylists over the years and people that have done my colors. So that's a really important tool so that I can choose colors that suit me. I know for me, I'm a cooler summer colors, so it means that all of the colors that look good on me have a cooler undertone. I look really bad on yellows, oranges. Really, like if I had this whole thing in orange, it probably wouldn't suit me. So anything with bluer undertones are much better for me. So spend some time holding up some clothes on camera and see what it does, because it looks very different out there in the world than when you jump on camera. When I've worked behind the scenes in different news programs or TV shows, we always check the outfits before the person goes on camera. It's a necessity because you want to see what it looks. You do a camera test to check it. Body language. How do you hold yourself? Are you standing like this all the time? Imagine how someone would feel if you're at a party and you're always like this, or you're kind of like, I don't want to speak to you, and you've got your body, you've got your back to them, or you've got your side to them. Think about your body language being open, friendly, using hand gestures. Some people talk about hand gestures being too much, but if that's part of who you are, then that's good. Use your hands, use your body. Sometimes if you're all over the place, this can be too much, but just using gestures like this can help to cement ideas, and it can help you to deliver in a more powerful way. Accessories are a fantastic way to look at your outfits and play. So hats, look at different accessories like earrings, jewelry. There are so many amazing jewelry pieces that you can wear. And so jewelry does a huge thing to a plain outfit. You can wear the plain black t-shirt and wear beautiful accessories, and it'll look like a completely different outfit. And you can do it very cheaply, and you can make your own. There is a bunch of things you can do that doesn't cost you anything to make you look good. I love hair pieces, wigs, all different hats and accessories. I love that type of stuff. Belts to give you more of a waist if you're wanting to bring your waist in, because this is the top part of what most people see. Think about pulling things in to give you more shape. Because if I wear something really baggy on top, it never suits me because it looks bulky, I don't have any shape. So I want to wear things that give me a little bit of shape so that I look my best and I feel confident when I'm presenting. You know, it can be very hard to work this out on your own. We've been teaching people to be confident on video for over 7 years now, and I'm very passionate about this because I had a crippling fear of being bullied. I was bullied behind the scenes around being on video. So I know what it feels like not to feel good. And it makes me really determined to help you to be confident, strong, and stand in your power when you share your story. There is so much more to video than just holding your phone and hoping for the best. So if you're a business owner, take this seriously. You can fast track where you want to be in 6 months. So click the link below and let's fast track your results, your video quality, how you present, how you look. So click over here and let's talk soon so we can fast track you to where you want to be. See you next video. Hope you've learnt lots. Comment below.